9547. Book your profits. 2.7 27 pips from the zone. The entry level is 27 pips. Book your profits. Safe traders keep break even and hold the rates. Forty pips from the zone. Next TP is 4788. 4788. Collect your profits. Collect your profits. Safe traders, collect your profits and hold the half trades with SL or break even. We'll hit our TP 4788. If this level is broken, next TP is 4785. 4785 is our next TP. Eighty pips from the zone. Entry level was 4796, 4795. From that zone, he captured 80 pips. Next TP is 4785. If this 4787 level is broken below, next TP is 4785. level was 4796, 4795 level. I asked to enter near 4795.24. It's 80 pips profit now. This 4786 is broken. 4785 first, next TP, and next is 4783. If traders hold the trades with break even, join our premium channel, contact admin, register one of our referred brokers, XM or Vantage. You will become the premium member. There I post 5 to 7 premium trades every day, Monday to Friday. If you already have an account in Vantage or XM, change IB to PIP IB. Contact admin. They will provide you the link. TP is 4785. Collect max profit there. Hold 20% or off of your trades with SL or break even. The 85 is broken. Next TP is 4781. 4785 is broken. Next TP is 81. If 4785 is broken, next TP is 4781 and the max TP is 4771. After that, you can trail your profit SL to the profits level, like the swing lows or swing high somewhere. After breaking 4785, next TP is 4781 and the max TP is 4771. You can move your SL according to the profits. You can trail it. More trades like this. Join our premium channel. I post 5 to 7 trades, premium trades there. Follow us on Instagram. I post all the premium trades printed there. Contact admin. Join premium channel. Take note of this profit levels. Keep break even. Hold the trades. 785 is broken. The next TP, max TP, almost hit our 4781. Guys, book your profits now. Book your profits now. I said 4771 was the max profit. It almost came near to 4774. 200 pips from the zone, guys. We took the exact entry. The level was given already. I asked to enter near 4795.